Morning, folks.
Morning.
In the shot.
Yep, just putting milk away.
Oh. Sunny morning, blue
It is,
sky.
yeah.
Very nice. Decent trip back yesterday. I said last night, didn't I, that court would quiet, not dead, quiet.
Not little up.
Oh, what am I on? Asda. Oh, dear.
Hey, lad.
Get worse.
You do. Get worse. Well, I forgot to post the book off, so you're going to have to do it today.
I'm going to do it today. I'm off up this morning to post it.
Right. That's why you said co-op, because you're going with that
Yeah.
way.
Aye. And then I'll pay the storage, Eileen, for the storage. I pay it every quarter, our storage. I know it's strange. Everybody pays annually, but pay quarterly. So that one's doing because it's due while we're away, so pay that.
Person who is next to us has paid the whole year, haven't they? But
He's legged
he's
it.
moved his camp out.
Yeah, he's given it up. He's handed his keys in.
Yeah. Which is strange.
Yeah.
But she's not going to rent it out, because she's already been paid, she says, until it runs out.
Yeah. And rang the dentist this morning to make an appointment for our annual check-up.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be in May, but I put it off until August. And this, no longer do you ring the dentist and just the answer. You get this diatribe, recorded voice now, going into all sorts, including they've got a waiting list if you want to be a patient, like most dentists have. The dentists are in just as bad a state, if not worse, than the NHS. In fact, I was reading an article about a lady who pulled all her own teeth out because she couldn't get an appointment at a dentist.
That's awful, isn't it? Not being able to get when you're in.
They weren't like she had a gum disorder and her teeth were loose, so they probably did come out fairly easy. Although she was in pain anyway. But she's since crowdfunding to get a new set made. There's no way she could have.
Even that's awful, isn't it? That she has to go to that length.
Yeah.
To get
a set of teeth.
False teeth.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know whether you still can. I think you can. We used to have in Leeds what we called the dental school, and it were at Cider Hospital.
I think there is still such a thing.
You could go there and be seen. I seem to remember going twice when I was younger, a couple of times maybe.
What it's like trying to get seen, I won't like to say nowadays.
No. No.
But we had to go to Brigg in Lincolnshire.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't get in here, anywhere around here. And you know, I was laid awake this morning And you know what I was thinking? Sounds crazy. I was thinking about when we came out of the army in 1970, we bought a house. Bought a house for £1,000 on what they call rental purchase. Rental purchase. I don't see how different it is to a mortgage, to be honest. Because you're buying the house and you don't own it until you're paid for it.
Yeah.
But same with a...
Mind you, then it were only £3 a week.
The thing was, it was £1,000 and I were earning £20 a week. And I worked out the ratio. If you bought a house today for £200,000, which is just about
A back-to-back.
a back-to-back here in Rodley, you need to be earning £4,000 a week
Wow.
for the same ratio
Wow.
as £1,000 and £20 a week in 1970.
Wow.
Ain't that ridiculous?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, look at me. I went yesterday to get Trevor's bread from Marks and Spencer's. And previously it's been £3.
Which is high enough.
For
a
just
loaf of bread.
for a little cob. And yesterday I paid £3.80. They put it up 80p.
80p. Yeah.
Just one jump to 80p more. I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it?
It's the only...
For gluten-free bread, it's the only one that he particularly likes.
Yeah.
You're not keen on others, are
No.
you? Tried them.
Tried other bread, gluten-free breads. Don't like them, but that one's all right. But yeah, it's amazing. We
only £4 for a loaf.
when we were in Skipsy, we went into their shop on site, on the caravan site. We needed some pedal bin liners. And because they were £3,
That was more than £3.
she won't buy them.
I won't buy them.
She won't buy them, do you know?
It did make it awkward.
Made
for
it
Trevor.
really awkward for all the week.
Yeah.
Dealing with rubbish. It really,
So you just
really
kept
did.
finding little bags and putting them in
Oh.
instead of a big bag.
All for the sake of... I mean, sometimes you just do have to. It won't worth it not buying them. That particular instance.
Oh dear. We've got some now.
Got some yesterday for £1.80, wasn't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
In Asda.
Well.
So that's my rumination.
Yeah, that's our little rant for today. I'm going to read you.
Yeah.
You think?
Why what? Oh, I got stuck.
Everything's getting awkward as you get older. Everything.
Everything.
I mean, even his phone, it
This morning, it won't come out of black and white. The colour wouldn't come on the phone. I had to do all sorts.
and you've got to put volume on again, haven't you?
Every morning, the volume goes to 0 on its own. And when I was ringing dentist, it went off. And I had to ring back and then go through, listen to all this
Diatribe
on the
about
phone
what
again.
they offer. They don't tell you it's £50 odd.
Yeah, having them clean.
Oh dear.
Okay, diary. This is 11th of December 2017. Snow everywhere in the country except here. I washed the camper. Yesterday we never stepped foot out of the van. It was wet and cold. Pat's heart is all over the place again, but she still seems to be functioning okay. I complained to O2 about this phone problem.
You're having phone problems then?
Been going on 10 days now. There's a mast in South Alford. They are upgrading. That always means things get worse when they improve things. Doesn't it? I don't know, must have been getting a poor signal or something.
Yeah.
Following the absolutely freezing this morning, we called in at the office to buy another bottle of gas, then went to the garden centre to get Pat's money, drove to the surgery, picked up Pat's tablets. The camper was filthy again after just one trip, so I cleaned it again and topped up the windscreen wash. Chris, the man from number 15, rang to say he wanted the car. He's going to pay for it when we get back in January. Following day. A wet and miserable day today. I went down the range this morning. It was deserted. No one on the touring field. Just workmen everywhere digging. We drove to Sutton, to the Bacchus Hotel for lunch. I had sausage, egg and chips. Lovely. Lovely warm atmosphere. Tried to go for a walk, but it threw it down. So we came back and loaded the camper up, ready for setting off tomorrow. Parked the camper next door for one night. You won't believe where we went. But you'll have to wait.
Tell us. Even I were interested. Oh, that's awful.
Oh.
Oh, he's cruel, isn't he? Cruel thing.
All right. Oh,
Yeah.
my voice. It's hopeless.
Getting weak.
God, old age.
Yeah. There's no alternative.
There is. One.
No thanks, not yet.
Oh.
Oh dear.
And what you planning to do today,
I
Pat?
don't know.
You don't know.
No, I might do Alethea's trousers. I've tacked them up so they're
All
right
right.
length, and I'm just wondering if I use my machine, will the needle, because sometimes needles sort of specific materials they catch and pull, you know, when they go down.
Oh, really?
So I'm just wondering, I may have the piece I cut off and just test it on that,
All
I
right.
think, first. Otherwise, I don't mind sewing them by hand, but I thought they might look better if they were machine stitched. So, I don't know. I'll test it and see.
All right.
I've that to do. I've some washing to put on. Didn't do any yesterday. I felt shattered yesterday when we got back.
I know.
Don't know why.
I did.
I know sometimes when we've been out and we've done a shop and we've put stuff away and then I've done washing and we've made some tea and it's I don't get to sit down in the afternoon, but I thought I can't do that today. I'm going to have to go sit down.
I wish I had.
Yeah, don't know why.
No.
I don't know. What past couple of days.
Well, yeah, there's packing up.
Yeah.
There's a lot of packing up to do.
Although we did leave a lot in camper, didn't we? Didn't pack up.
You won't believe it.
I
The
know.
bags we brought in here. God. And then going shopping,
Yeah, putting it all away.
putting it all away and then parking the van up.
Alethea brought hot shopping down for me.
Oh, right.
I didn't carry any down. Because she got back from school.
She were
By the
here.
time we got here.
She didn't leave until late this morning.
No, she didn't.
We had weird school times, don't she?
Yeah, yeah. She does.
She's got a work placement at the school, actually.
Yeah.
In the photography department.
Yeah, work for school photographer.
Uh,
School
technician.
technician.
Lab technician in developing.
Yeah.
Well, I don't. When does she start that? Do you know?
No, I don't. Yeah.
So she'll be in a comfort zone.
Yeah.
She never stepped out of her comfort zone.
No. I think she's.
Maybe this trip she's going on this year will maybe do that for a bit.
Yeah, she keeps picking some clothes out that she wants to buy to go on holiday with. So, because it's her birthday in May. So.
She does have her own money.
Yeah, but it's her birthday in May.
You.
Choosing them.
Have you thought about that?
I've told Tracy to pick a couple of things, clothes out,
All right.
and we'll pay for them.
Okay. Right.
Because she'll be 17.
17.
It's called Cider, I think, this site she's going on.
Oh, cider.
Cider. She seems to find things she likes on that.
Right.
So
Young people's site, is it?
my mum's going to order a couple, and then I said we would. She's picked out like shorts and skirts and tops that are for summer.
Okie dokie. That's it, folks.
That's it.
So, all being well, we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.